Hello guys, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to create a personal assistant bot with Claude AI. So initialize your project folder, environment, and install the certified packages. You can run the command. So something like this can be used. And then you can do this next. You can just transform a single static API call into a living assistant that maintains persistent thread history. Standard API requests are stateless. Claude forgets everything the split second the request finishes executing. Wrap your request block inside a Python while loop to capture ongoing user inputs continuously. And every time you enter a prompt, append your text dict token to a running messages history array variable. Pass this entire growing array back to the API on every loop iteration, so Claude tracks context in real time. Also guys, if this helped, as always, hit that subscribe button to keep your software system hyper optimized. Also press like on the video, and to initialize your Anthropic engine loops right now and let the code run your day.